Hello guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to generate a video on HField. But before that, let me remind you, this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment, review purposes only. So always do your own research because crypto has a risk, guys. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so for today's video, I will explain you how to create a video by using a prompt from ChatGPT, guys. Okay, you can choose here image if you want to create an image, guys. Okay, Cinema Studio image, also the video, guys, and edit character in Paint, Cinema Studio, guys, motion control also available here at the HField, guys. Also assist, they have the assist, guys, and apps. What will you create today? Okay, create authentic image and video with natural texture and easy to get, guys. Okay, so mixed media available, visual effects like this one. Wow. HField application, what's next? Generate relight, guys. Nano Banana Pro Gallery, guys. Okay, HField Soul. Okay, this is also a template. Kling 2.5 turbo and camera controls, guys. Okay, and also they have the viral templates right here and the UGC template, guys, with the commercial templates also available here at the HField. Wow. So Minimax Halo 0.2, guys, and Sedans Pro also available, guys, to community 1 2.5 community and many more, guys, to explore here at the HField. Okay, guys, so right now they have the discount expire in 18 hours and 50 minutes. Extra free, guys, okay, if you want to purchase this plan. So Nano Banana Pro unlimited for 2 years and unlimited on all Kling models, 85% off, guys. See the power you're missing, compare and upgrade. So the ultimate monthly 1,200 credits per month. Creator for 2 years has a 6,000 credits per month, guys. They also have the plan here, the ultimate and the creator, guys, with a 37.4 per month and 24.5 per month with the ultimate, guys. They have the creator for 2 years, HField, free pick, Crea and open art, guys. Okay, so this is the plan or the current pricing of this HField, guys. Okay, so let's start making one video, guys, using ChatGPT. Alright, guys, let's copy some prompt here from the ChatGPT and let's go to maybe Kling 2.0, guys, and choose the prompt. Okay, so paste the prompt here and then just generate, guys. You can also add the audio if you want, duration 5 seconds or 10 seconds, guys, and make the aspect ratio auto. So let's just generate, guys. Okay, let's wait while queuing, guys. They also have an application or apps here, okay, at HFields with the camera and motion, enhance and style, face and identity, video editing, ads, products, games and characters, extra templates, trending templates, guys, all are available here at the HFields. Okay, let's go back with the creation, guys. Now it's in progress. Take note that this prompt has been copied in ChatGPT, guys. You can edit or choose whatever prompt you want to create here, guys. Okay, so by the way, guys, you can also choose your photo here, guys. Okay, you can change it whatever photos you want to upload and generate by a prompt, guys. So right now our video has been generated, guys. So this is my video from the photos, okay, plus the ultra cinematic shot from ChatGPT, guys. Okay, guys. Wow, it's a success, guys, and easy to do. Now you can have your reels or YouTube content using HFields, guys. And also, guys, before we end this video, what exactly is the AI video generator and how you can create it on HField? It's a practical walkthrough of HField for a video generation, combining a simple workflow with professional grade tools for cinematic result, guys. Okay, you can click the link on my description down below, guys. So if you want a smoother experience creating cinematic AI video, the simplest way to get there is to work in one place, and that is the Hitchfield AI, guys. It has a range of professional grade tools in a simple workflow. Hitchfields help you move fast by organizing AI video generation into two clear layers. So features that workflows model the engines, and then the way you never lock into a single approach. You pick what you're making first, then pick what powers it, guys. It has a feature versus model. What this means for creator, guys. So features are the production tools, meaning the creative interface that help you generate specific types of AI video content quickly, while the models allow you to choose the best engine for your shot, guys. So how to get started? Just pick your video image, guys, and then after that, choose your model. Hitchfield, OpenAI, Google, One, Manimax, King, and many more, guys. You can choose. Upload your input and set controls like what I did, guys. I copy some prompt here to maximize my video creation. Practical tips for best result: use a clean image, sharp with lit clear subject, guys. And then after that, just generate and review your post instantly, download it and upload it to your social, guys. So again, if you have more questions, please follow me on Twitter and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below, like this video, share it to friends. So again, this is Crypto saying bye bye.